Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to LouisVee TV, and I'm back again with another video. To be specific, a vlog. I know y'all really love vlogs because I really love vlogs. I know y'all have been waiting for content. Like, where is LouisVee at? Where is she at? Girl, she been in school, okay? But I'm here and we is alive and we thank God. I have a lot to do. I have a lot in store for y'all. So, you know, stay tuned. Honestly, school has been kicking in on me and I'm just with it, right? So today is my break. Well, really this weekend is my break from school. And with that, I'm having a girls trip with me and my other friends. Me and a couple of my girls, we are going to Dallas, just going there having fun and all that good jazz. And honestly, I'm not gonna tell y'all what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna show you what we have planned. And just know, everything that we're gonna be doing is gonna be lit. Hey guys, I am back with my outfit of the day. Start off with the bottom. These Air Force Ones from Champ. These joggers from Pretty Little Thing. This top also from Pretty Little Thing. This bag from Shein. These glasses too, they so large, bro. They're so stylish too, like, guys, oh my gosh. They're from Shein as well, of course. And yes, here is from Wiggins. I did wet it a little bit. I don't know if I can tell. I'm finna go and get the other people that's coming with me on this trip. And then guys, we're gonna be soon on our way to Dallas. So peace, see y'all there. So guys, we just got to our Airbnb. Let me give you a quick tour real quick. So we about to get ready for dinner. We're gonna pop out still for that time, and then we'll get back to you. Peace. Hey guys, so we just finished getting ready, and let me show you our fit. This is Onion. Come on with the fit. Faith, yes ma'am. Look at Lillian. Yes, man, get into it, okay?
Now peep the fit.
Yes.
That's when I sit on. Come on, let me see. Period.
Hey guys, so we just made it to the restaurant that we're eating at. What is it called? Ravenna? Ravenna? I think it's called Ravenna. Hey, so we just got back from dinner. I don't know, are we still going sightseeing? Bro, like, it's because I don't think any scooters or any bikes are like open, and we don't want to like drive around a rock. It's kind of dangerous for girls walking. Or bad. No, right? Emphasize for bad. We can't be on the loose like that.
Yeah. Not like that.
Not like that. But yeah, so I think we're just gonna vibe out. Body now. Yeah. Come on, babe. Yeah, we're walking to CVS, about to go get us Uno, right? Yeah, so we can play some games back at the Airbnb. I know you're like, why y'all walking? We want to get our cardio in, okay? Plus, we want to kind of like see Dallas a little bit because we didn't get to do the sightseeing, so might as well. Good morning, guys. This is day 2 of our girls trip. Actually, it's not even morning. It is 2:30 basically, and today we are going to a spa, like a girl spa trip, not a spa trip, like a spa date or whatnot. Really just me and Faith. Everybody else already went to their little spa thing because they couldn't take all of us at the same time, so we all kind of just went separately. As me and Faith are getting facials. We're getting the clear complexion facial, right? Clear complexion facial. We're doing hot and cold stone massage. Hopefully that goes pretty well. I'll get back to y'all when we get to the spa. So we are back from the facial. This is how it looks. Sorry, I can barely see. Yes, guys, get into it. Get into it. Giving you very much sun kissed. So hey guys, we are done with our fits and makeup for dinner. Ain't all the are here, okay? We got a Mechi, we got Maria, and we got not her name dropping. They here. Okay. This light. Get into it. But yeah, guys, we're about to go to dinner. We're kind of running late, so we just gotta hurry up. See when we get there. They got some baby ass food over there. Don't worry about it. You didn't have to play me like that. You really didn't. Excuse me, sir. I would like to send this back and get the New York strip and then please, yes please. Hey guys, so we just came back from dinner. So now we're going to a scenery in Denton. I don't know what kind of scenery it is, but they said we're going to a scenery. So we came back to the Airbnb and we changed. Let me show you the fit, okay? Yeah, check it out. Check out the shoes. Yes, some Air Force Ones. Oh, but not. Yeah. What scenery are we going to again? It's a lounge party and a kickback. I just hope it's fun, or like, you know, just fun in general, because the drive is already kind of long. So if it's not fun, I mean, regardless of the fact, we're gonna have fun anyway. Yes, guys, everybody changing their fits. Everybody's fits is like very casual jeans type of wear. I might vlog, might not, but you will see. Peace. I walk around like that. Hey guys.
Oh, is it a video?
Yes, it's a video.
Type, hey y'all, what's up?
What's up? Here with the gang. We saw a couple of our friends back in Denton, and we just came back to the Airbnb or whatnot. I just finished washing my face, and this is my face after the facial. Get into it. And now I'm about to get my hair done by Faith. She's with me and LouisVee. Louis is actually getting her hair done right now. Bye.
and I drove the boat. Okay. I really drove the jet ski. But now I can't really see. But guys, look at my hair. It's such a mess. And I didn't really even get to really show y'all the before. So now we're just waiting for Lillian and Oyim. And then we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, you know, freshen up, take showers. And I gotta get dressed and I get back to y'all when we get there. We're now about to go to dinner. Look at the hair. Yes, it says dyed by me. Okay. Get into it. I don't think I showed y'all. Did y'all? Did I? Look.
Who are you talking to? Oh.
The vlog. Okay.
I'm about to say,
But yes, guys, we're gonna go to dinner. I think we're gonna eat Thai food today. But yes, let me show you the fit. Check out the gold. Alright. Leather pants. Shoes. I'm over here recording like it's a phone. So I'm about to take some pics right now, and then we're just gonna wait for everybody else to get ready, and then we're gonna head out. Hey guys, so we just got our food. I got Cajun shrimp fried rice, or Cajun fried rice. Let me show you. And so sweet. But yes, I can't cap, I'm sleepy. Who's sleepy with me?
we sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
I'm so tired.
I know I'm not the only one, right? Cause like, ugh, today was long. I get tired. That's fine too. It's still today. The day is not over, guys. Today has been a long day. Check out, people out there glow. I'm glistening up here, okay?